right. You can look me up on YouTube. I'm Corvair Wild on YouTube.
Corvair, C-O-R-V-A.
Chevy Corvair. You're old enough to know what a Corvair was and is.
I am.
Corvair Wild.
Wild with it.
Corvair Wild. Wild about Corvairs. I've got lots of them.
And we'll look on YouTube.
Oh yeah, it takes me a day or two. They'll be up.
Oh, really?
I never fail.
Awesome.
Oh yeah.
Enjoy.
Where are y'all from?
Are you, am I waiting for you to go?
I'll just catch you around the corner. Let me get ahead of you a few steps. What kind of horses are these, by the way?
They're Belgian.
Belgians. Hey, baby. Are you good horsies? Let's get ahead of you a little bit, and we'll get a picture of you coming around the bend. And everybody will be singing. We're not getting any cooperation here at all. Come on, Muggs. Let's go catch them coming around the corner. Woo! We're going down. Oh, it'll be a classic picture with the sun in the background. Anybody want to sing? Jingle bells are coming around the bend, coming around the corner. And they're off. Belgian draw horses. Oh, we're loving it here at Trapp Family Lodge. So nice to be here on this beautiful day.